Hi, my name is Carolina. I'm working with Moviik. I'm marketing manager, and I'm here to speak you a little bit about our management technology. We started by developing a queue management system and business analytics system, which is adaptable to any vertical. We are mainly focusing in developing software solutions, but also hardware, which is this ticket kiosk. Um, our product is mainly software for queue management. We develop a solution for the ticket kiosk for the player, which you can put it in your store to display the queuing status and to communicate and to give peace of mind to your visitors, and also a counter terminal to call and to your staff to control the queuing status and to interagate with their visitors. Um, Right now, we have a very open API to integrate with all digital signage systems, CRM, your website, and also with any system that you want. So we really developed this system based with our experience based on that we have on the past decade, and we develop it thinking about our partners and system integrators. And for more information, please visit our website.